How are you all traders? I hope everyone good. I'm also good. Today I come back again with the new video. Today I'll show you how to you will deposit in IK option. Okay, first of all I show you uh, that is my real account and my balance 0. Okay, you can see here. Okay, that's why I will deposit in my account. First of all, if you want to deposit, first of all, okay, okay. Yeah, you can see here this is the deposit option. Okay, if you want to deposit you can just click here. Okay, deposit option, I click here. Okay, deposit. You can see here this is a new page. This is a new page of deposit option. Visa, Mastercard, ADB Cash, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Cashew. If you want to deposit, you can use any other site. Okay, but I'm using only this one, Visa and Mastercard. Okay, it is very easy and simple, and deposit and withdrawal very easy, always working instant. Okay, that's why I like this one. Okay, I'm using this one. I have also a Mastercard, Visa card, that's why I'm using this one. Okay, okay. If you want to, you also use this one, also this one, you can use this one, you can use this one. Okay, if you want to choose any other site. Okay, okay. After if you want to I'll deposit from my card, that's why I choose Visa, Mastercard. Okay, this one. If you want to deposit from your card, you know you have a card number, you have to put their card number, you have to put here CVC number, CVC number 3 number, the opposite of card. Okay, you find there valid, you have to put there when it will finish valid your card. Okay, then that is you have to put here. Okay, here also here when here you have to put card holder name. Okay, okay. What is the name of card? Like this, MD, any other name. Okay, possibility, card holder name. What is the name? Okay, this one amount, this is the amount option, how much you want to deposit in your account, but you have to put there how much. Like this, I want to put 37 AED. Okay, this is a United Arab Emirates currency. I want to deposit this one. Okay, like this. Okay, after if you want to choose any site and any amount, you have to deposit from this page. Okay, okay. I want to deposit 37 AED like this. Okay, okay. After that, just you click there, process to payments. Okay, everything will clear here. Okay, after that just you click here, process to payment, just you click here, process to payment. Okay, just click here after finish. Okay, okay. If you want to press there, automatically you will get this one, and this one will take from your card like this. Okay, yeah, I will hide this one. I will deposit here. You show already my account balance is 0, that's why I will deposit.